Hi, Angelina.
Hi.
So nice to meet you. You won Norway's Got Talent in 2014.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So tell us, how old were you when you won?
I was 7 years old.
You were 7 years old. So you are now 13.
And 13, yes.
You are 13.
Yeah. I've waited 10 years to sing for Simon, and I'm finally...
Oh, really?
So
Wow.
us three have
What
nothing
is
to
it?
do with what's going on
No,
tonight?
we don't. What is it about Simon?
He's just amazing, and he's a legend.
He is. He is a legend.
Yeah, he is.
Well, Angelina, I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here.
Can you just come up to the mic like you're going to be?
Yeah. Anywhere the wind blows doesn't really matter to me.
Wow.
Too late, my time has come. Send shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody, I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth.
Wow.
I'm out. I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I'd never been born at all. Oh, baby, can't do this to me, baby. Just gotta get out of here. Yeah. Nothing really matters. Anyone can say. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me.
That was insane.
I feel like I am witnessing the birth of something really special, a star, and as they would say in Norway, jeg elsker deg.
Oh, thank you. I love you too.
And I think this moment, this time on stage, this song, this performance is going to change your life and your career forever. I believe that.
Everything about tonight felt like it came from you. The arrangement of the song, the simplicity of it. I've never heard that song in that version before. Seriously, this was an amazing performance.
Finally, you guys are finished talking. You have no idea how hard it is for me to sit here to wait for you guys to jibbity, jabbity, jibbity, jabbity, jibbity, jabbity, because this was so amazing. And